motor boat. It is used to travel in water, or for else, like if I have a business, if I have a business see, if I have a business like any company or name, so I can use a motor boat like this, and motor boat for traveling in water. In real life, it is used I said that it is used. The people who have business, they use it, and it is used in water. It is used for traveling in water, as I said that it floats on water, and when it pushes water, it travels and goes forward in like if this is the motor, and this pushes water back, so the motor goes forward, and it travels in water. This sciences and what when this rotates like this, so force is created backward. Force is created backward, like these both are moving like this. So the force is created backward, and the water is pushed backward. So we
diagram तो right side में बना सकते हो क्या?
So this boat, when these oars push water backside, they get the opposite reaction. So they get an opposite reaction, and they move forward. So like it also floats because of this wooden base. I have used a base, okay, and base and electric circuit. In electric circuit, the motors, the wires, the switches, and the batteries come. And I have also used the oars which are attached with this bottle cap.
Why are you not making the complete diagram? Why just one motor and one wiring? Why not complete diagram? What is the hurry? जल्दी किस बात की? पूरा डायग्राम बना के क्यों नहीं बता रहे हो ठीक से? जो दिख रहा है वो बनाओ तो सही. तुमने एक मोटर अटैच करके बना दिया वहां पे. मेरे हिसाब से डायग्राम पूरा होना चाहिए ना. कैसे एक्सप्लेन करोगे?
This is the wooden base. And here I have placed